how to create your own mental health and wellness resources website for free using squarespace.com. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create your own website for free using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the get started button, and then it will take us to the templates page. It's basically where we can choose pre-made templates that were going to help us build our own website. Also, you can choose the templates that are pre-made templates, or you can choose the template that is a blank template that will allow you to build your own website from scratch. So here, by scrolling down, you can see a wide range of templates, and in the top you have here the filters if you want to filter by the type or the topic of your template. So for me, my topic is, or my niche is, mental health and wellness resources. So I'm just going to see if I can find anything about mental health or health in general. So here it is, health and beauty. So I'm going to click on it to see what this platform offers. So here we have something about skincare, training, and this is the blank template that I told you about if you want to build your own website from scratch. And by scrolling down, here we have also training, and this one is about finding happiness. So I think I'm going to use that one. Mindful nutrition as a way of life, another one. Mental health collective. So I think I'm going to use this one. So its name is Glow. So you can just click on start with Glow or preview the template first. So click on preview, then click on view demo site to witness the website in full width to see if it fits your requirements or not. Introducing Clove, a mental health collective. So I think this template will going to fit me. So I'm just going to click on start with this design and wait for them to set things up. So basically just wait for a few seconds and everything will be set up for you to start adjusting your website. So here the first thing they will request is type in our title for the website. So for me, I'm just going to type my niche, which is the mental health and wellness resources. So basically this title helps you organize your websites if you are like me, creating multiple websites in this platform. So it will help you avoid getting mixed between your websites. So I'm just going to give it this title and then click on continue and then close all these tabs. I don't need them anymore. So by closing, here you have a lot of sections in your left, starting from the website, commerce, marketing, and I'm going to explain each one of them right now. So let's start with website. By clicking on website, it's where you can change the pages or add new ones or delete the ones that you already have. As you can see in here, you can also adjust them in this button, as you can see. So let's go back. Then we have the commerce section. It's where you can manage your orders, your inventory, and your customers, your discounts. You can also add products or change or set up the payments or the ways that you want to get paid, or change the ways that you sell with if you want to sell subscriptions or memberships or project management. Let's go back home and let's proceed to the next step, which is the marketing. It's the marketing section, it's where you can change, or it's everything that is related to growing your audience, from email campaigns to SEO appearance to promotional pop-up to announcement bar. Let's go back home and let's proceed to the next section, which is scheduling, and it's pretty important in our niche. It's where we can set up our calendar for people to book appointments with us or to book meetings with us. So we just wait a few seconds for this section to load. This section in particular takes a lot of time, or just much more time than the other sections to load. I don't know why, but it's okay. It's a very helpful section. So just close this tab and then wait for this one to show again, and it will show right now. So just give it some seconds. So this is the page. Here we can adjust it, we can create appointment types, we can set our availability, and also we can design our scheduling page, and when we are done, we can share the scheduling page in this button. So let's go back and let's move on to the next section, which is, I guess, the asset library. Yes, it's the asset library. It's basically where you can save your images and your pictures to reuse them while designing your template, so you won't need to go through that process again of dragging and dropping files from your laptop. You can just take them from here. Let's go back home, and then we have the analytics section. It's basically where you have your dashboard and you can read your data from there. Your conversion rate, your sales, your traffic, your geography, your revenue, and so on. Then we have the profile section. It's where you can take a look to your clients' profiles and adjust them. Then you have the settings. It's where basically you can change everything that is related to settings, from setting your domains to your Google Workspace account, to changing your site's availability from private to public, to the site's languages, and also you can set your store payments from your Stripe account to your PayPal account. And then we have the edit button. By clicking on it, you will see this page expand to give us more space to focus on design, so you can change pretty much everything about the website, from the header to the footer to everything in between them, from sections to blocks. So that's it for today's video, guys. I just wanted to give you an idea about this website. I hope you find the video useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video with your friends.